Britain's Crown Prosecution Service, CPS, on Tuesday withdrew assault charges related to domestic violence against former Manchester United player Ryan Giggs, which meant that the retrial has been abandoned. The 49-year-old was accused of causing actual bodily harm to his former girlfriend, Kate Greville, coupled with controlling and coercive behavior. He also faced a charge of common assault of Greville's sister, Emma. In a trial last year, the jury was discharged after failing to reach verdicts on the charges. Giggs denied all charges, and a trial date of July 31 was set during a hearing at Manchester Crown Court. However, Kate was no longer willing to give evidence in a retrial as the process had taken a toll on her and her sister, according to a BBC report.